Repairing a large hole in drywall is easy to do with a simple method. Here's how. Start by measuring the width and height of the hole, and cut a patch about a ½ inch larger in both dimensions. Then center the patch over the hole and trace its shape onto the wall. Then use a utility knife and wallboard saw to cut the shape out. Now cut a scrap of plywood the same height as the patch, but several inches longer, and drive a screw in the center to use as a handle. To install, start several drywall screws around the patch, then insert the plywood, center it in the hole, and drive the screws to secure it in place. Then remove the center screw. Finally, insert the patch and secure with as few screws as necessary. Then apply mesh tape and finish with 2 to 3 coats of compound to feather the edges into the wall.